This is a quick hack on how to make the Zhrui lathe a little bit better. This is my quick hack for an altered tool post. Now this bit is 6mm, and that would not hold on well with this flimsy little attachment that whoever provided for this flimsy little cutting bit. So, how did I make that? I'm glad you asked. First off, I bought myself a pack of these M4 T-nuts so that they'll fit in these channels, because there's only one T-nut supplied with the lathe. So I need two T-nuts, 1, 2, and they only supplied one. So when I've done that, I know that the holes in the T-nuts are exactly 15mm apart. Now this is a handy piece of steel that I got from Tractor Supply, and that's where it gets interesting. Now I've already cut this piece of steel to about 35mm, so I'm going to say that the first hole needs to be about there. So I'm going to use my spring-loaded center punch. That's the first hole marked, and then 15mm along, which will be about there. I'm going to put let's move it down, there we go, still about 15mm, yep. And second center punch mark. Then I'm going to drill the holes. Having marked my 15mm centers, it is now time to drill the first hole. And this is through steel, remember? And this is 1/8 steel, so it's pretty darn thick. So having drilled the two holes, I now need a screw to put in the hole. These are well, there's a mixture of different sizes of Allen screw, and this takes M4. That is M4. So that goes through there. I've got another one for the other hole, and I'll put some washers to step it up a little bit, and done.